everyone, this is Monalvo Macaspi, and for today's video, we will learn about adding and subtracting integers. In this lesson, we can learn about adding integers with same sign, adding integers with different sign, subtracting integers with same sign, and subtracting integers with different sign. So let's proceed on adding integers. In adding integers, we have two rules for same sign and different sign. In same sign, we will simply add the values and copy the sign. As you can see in the example, which is 5 plus 5, obviously it is equal to 10. And here the second example is negative 5 plus negative 5. Since it has the same sign, we'll simply add and copy the sign. So negative 5 plus negative 5 is equal to negative 10. And in different sign, the rule is find the absolute value of each integer, subtract the smaller absolute value from the larger one, and then copy the sign of the greater value. So as you can see in the example number 1, 7 plus negative 4. So since it has different sign, we will subtract. So 7 plus negative 4 is equal to 3. Since 7 has the greater value, which is positive, so the answer is positive 3. Now let's proceed to example 2, which is 8 plus 10. We'll find the absolute value, which is 8 and 10. Since it has different sign, we will subtract 8 from 10. So 10 minus 8 is equal to 2. And as you can see, the 10 has the greater value, which is negative, so our answer is negative 2. And now let's proceed on subtracting integers. In subtracting integers, we have only one rule, which is in different sign. In different sign, change the problem to an addition by changing the subtraction to addition and taking the opposite of the second number, then add the numbers and use the sign of the integer with greater absolute value. So here, in example number 1, 8 minus 1 obviously is equal to 7. Example 2, we have negative 2 minus negative 5. So first rule is we will change the operation subtraction to addition, and then we will get the opposite side of the second term. This negative 5 will be now a positive 5. So negative 2 plus 5 is equal to 3. Since our 5 has the greater value or absolute value and it is positive, so our answer is positive 3. And now let's proceed to example number 3, which is negative 4 minus 2. The first rule, change the subtraction to addition and get the opposite sign of the second number. So negative 4 plus, since it is the 2 is a positive number, we will now make it negative. So negative 4 plus negative 2 is equal to negative 6. For the last example, 12 minus negative 6. So proceed to addition and change the sign of the second term. So our second term is negative 6. So it will be now positive 6. So 12 plus 6 is equal to 18. That's all. I hope you learned something today.